everybody, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to allow screenshots in Blue Wallet application. First of all, find and open Blue Wallet application on your device. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see three dots. Click on it and click on General tab. Here you can see Privacy tab. Click on Privacy and you will see Allow Screenshots at the bottom of your screen. Now toggle this on. Now you can take screenshots on the Blue Wallet application. So that is how you can allow screenshots in Blue Wallet. To turn it off, simply click on this toggle and it will be off. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.